Welcome to our new video. Article: Bustards adapt to produce 2-egg clutch. This video is very informative, so please don't skip the video. Watch till the end. Here are the contents what you get to know in this video. Inside the article about Great Indian Bustard, threats, conservative steps, initiative, Wildlife Protection Act 1972, constitutional provisions, salient features of act, amendments, Desert National Park, Wildlife Institute of India. So let us move to the next section. What is there in the article of Hindu's newspaper? We are providing only important for exam point of view, so please watch till the end. Bustards adapt to produce 2-egg clutch. The perceived beliefs and recorded observations of egg-laying habit of Great Indian Bustard (GIB) have changed after the recent excessive rains in western Rajasthan. Scientists working on ex situ breeding of these endangered birds have discovered the new proclivity in Jaisalmer Desert National Park (DNP). Dehradun-based Wildlife Institute of India's WII scientist Sutirtha Datta, who is leading the project for breeding of the rare species, told that 6 nests with 2 eggs each had been detected so far in the DNP. Yes, move to the next section. Great Indian Bustard. Its scientific name is Adiotis nigriceps and locally called as Godavan, found on Indian subcontinent, and it is the heaviest of the flying birds. These birds are often found associated in the same habitat, protected under Wildlife Protection Act 1972 of India, and it is listed in IUCN list as critically endangered due to lack of protection and rampant hunting, and it is also listed in CITES Appendix List 1. Its population is reduced to less than 150 in 2018. Threats to it: shrinking habitat of the GIB have been industrialization, mining and intensive agriculture practices, collision with power transmission lines and windmills. Next, conservative steps. Establish a participatory monitoring network to engage people with conservation and gather crucial data on Great Indian Bustard status, range and threats. Educate communities and raise awareness of government support available for sustainable livelihood that are in line with conservation efforts. Initiative to conserve the GIB. Government of Rajasthan State launched Project Great Indian Bustard to conserve the bird on 5th June 2013. Next, Wildlife Protection Act 1972 of India. On 5th June 1972, environment was first discovered as an item of international agenda in the UN Conference of Human Environment in Stockholm, and thereafter 5th June is celebrated all over the world as World Environment Day. Constitutional provisions. Article 48A provides the state shall endeavour to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard forests and wildlife of the country. And Article 48A is in the Part 4 of Directive Principle of State Policy. Article 51AG provides it shall be duty of every citizen of India to protect and improve the natural environment including forests, lakes, rivers and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creations. And Article 51A is in Part 4A of Fundamental Duties. Wildlife Protection Act of 1972 is an important landmark in the history of wildlife legislation in the country to ensure the protection and management of wildlife. Forests including wildlife was then a state subject, falling in Entry 20 List 2 of 7th Schedule. Parliament had no power to make law on the same except as provided in Articles 249, 250, 252 of Constitution. Seventh schedule, division of powers between the union and the states in terms of union list, state list, current list. Salient features of the act. Rating of the schedule to 1 to 5 is in accordance with the risk of survival of wildlife, fauna enlisted in them. Animals included schedule are provided for total protection from hunting, and the trade and commerce related to such animals are strictly regulated. And Schedule 6 has been added to include the specified plant species to be protected by the Wildlife Protection Amendment Act of 1991. An expert committee constituted by the Indian Board of Wildlife considers amendments to the Act as and when necessary. With the amendment of Act in 1991, powers of the state governments have been withdrawn almost totally. By addition of provision, immunization of livestock within a radius of 5 km from a national park as sanctuary has been made compulsory. And amendments for this are in 1982, 1986, 1991 and 1993, 2002, 2006, 2013 and recently in 2021. The recent amendment bill seeks to increase the species protected under law and implement the CITES. CITES is an international agreement between governments to ensure that international trade in species of wild animals and plants does not threaten the survival of the species, and the bill also seeks increasing the fines. General violation increased up to 1 lakh, specially protected animals increased up to 25,000. Next, Desert National Park is established in 1981, situated in Rajasthan, consisting of an area 3,162 square kilometers, nearest city Jaisalmer, Barmer. The vegetation is sparse and patches of 7 grass and oak shrub can be seen. Chinkara or Indian gazelle is common antelope. And next, Wildlife Institute of India. It is established in 1982, is an internationally acclaimed institution which offers training program, academic courses and advisory in wildlife research and management. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. I hope the video is informative to you.